Hi, today let's make very simple and tasty dessert at home. First, in a bowl, don't turn on the gas. Now, in a bowl, just add in some coconut milk, add in some coconut water. I'm adding in sugar and corn flour and mix it really very well till there are no lumps and it turns silky smooth. Because if you don't beat it very well or if you don't mix it very well, then in the dessert it turns out to be very lumpy and the pieces of corn flour just gets in the mouth. So it needs to be smooth and nice like this. Once it comes to the smooth consistency like this, turn on the gas and keep on stirring continuously till you get that thick, the custard kind of consistency. That is what we are looking at. So give it a good mix. In 3 minutes, it turns out to be thick. It doesn't take long. So give it a very good mix. Trust me, this is a very simple, very flavorful recipe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. See, now you can see the pudding is slightly getting thicker and thicker, and that is the consistency what we are wanting. So see, this is what we are wanting. Give it a good mix, and then what you can do is switch off the gas, and you need to let the mixture cool. So once the mixture is very combined very well and mixed very well, switch off the gas and add it to the mold of your choice. Now I'm adding to this kind of crockery. If you don't have any kind of molds, add it to any bowl at home. Once it's cooled, then keep it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours and serve it cold. One tip is you can serve this with the vanilla ice cream. It tastes really very good. The combination turns very well. Once it is 4 hours, just flip it over any plate like this and your coconut pudding is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food.